Made in Hawaii is very, very important to us. So if you ever see a red coconut ball like that says Made in Hawaii, and we put it on our product. So when it says Made in Hawaii, we truly are made in Hawaii. We do everything here. We make it here, we package it here. Anything is distributed from here. And we're very, very, very aware of the quality we put out. It's very labor intensive because that's how we control the quality. With this COVID, we're all trying to save any money that we can. But if we can do it in a sustainable way, why not? We're very, very fortunate. Alton came by and we were just talking and he said, oh yeah, we can do this for you. And I'm like, fabulous. So that's why we're retrofitting. For a small business, any little bit helps.
So switching over to LEDs benefits Hawaii Candy in just a lot of ways. I think the biggest way right off the bat would be energy savings. The LEDs consume less than half the energy in most cases. Looks is another one. The building has just a much nicer appearance. The lighting tends to be brighter. Another thing is that way less worries about maintenance. LEDs tend to last double, triple, or even quadruple the lifespan of fluorescents or HIDs or metal halides. So in that regard, maintenance costs go down a lot. Just worries and anxiety over maintenance is much lower.
By retrofitting, it just cuts our overhead down. And so we're hoping that we don't have to raise it. I mean, ultimately everybody's raising their prices and that's just part of doing business. But we really, really try not to raise our prices too much only because we understand we're all local. We understand the economy. We know how much it costs to live here. If it can cut down on our overhead, then that's what we're gonna do.